In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text t-shirt designs on Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a solid starting point and turn it into a clean, bold text design that looks great on a shirt. Start by opening Canva. From the homepage, look for the Templates area. It's usually right on the main screen or in the left-hand menu. Clicking Templates is the fastest way to tap into thousands of ready-made ideas. Think of it as your design library, organized so you don't have to start from scratch. Next, use the search bar within Templates and type t-shirt designs. Hit Enter, and Canva will load a gallery specifically tailored for apparel. You'll see styles ranging from minimalist typography to vintage lettering. If you're focusing on words as the hero, keep an eye out for layouts that feature large fonts, strong contrast, and simple backgrounds. Those are the easiest to customize and the most reliable for printing. Take a moment to browse through the template results, hover to preview, or click to view larger. Ask yourself how easily the wording could be swapped for your message and whether the font style matches your vibe: bold for impact, condensed for long phrases, script for a softer tone. Also consider readability at a distance. If you can't read it at thumbnail size, it may not pop on a shirt. For color, imagine how the design would sit on dark versus light fabric and look for templates that don't rely on ultra-thin strokes. When you find one you like, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the editor so you can make it your own. You'll see the text, colors, and layout ready to tweak. Now edit the template to fit your message. Double-click the text to change the words. Keep lines short and punchy. Shorter phrases usually print better. Try a bold or semi-bold font for maximum clarity. Adjust size and letter spacing to balance the composition. Tighten spacing for compact impact, or loosen slightly for a clean, airy look. Use alignment tools to center everything on the canvas. And check margins so the design isn't crowding the edges. Refine color with high contrast in mind. Light text on dark shirts and dark text on light shirts are the safest bets. If needed, add a subtle outline or shadow from the effects panel to boost legibility without making it busy. Preview against different background colors to simulate various shirt colors and ensure it still reads well. That's it. By starting from templates, searching t-shirt designs, browsing, customizing, and editing thoughtfully, you'll create professional text t-shirt graphics quickly and confidently.